So the whole process is about the collaboration and understanding like what is really the brand objective, the IP objective, and going on that journey. So we usually start by a lot of like background and understanding like what is the momentum of the IP, where in the life cycle it is, what is the where is its actual territory, its audience, where it wants to go next, what can be a driver or limiter, but really understanding like the whole environment of the IP. Then we go into designing like a specific research to answer the question or the specific barrier that that IP is facing at that moment. But as we do so, again, like trying to take the most collaborative approach possible to have the right scope, the right scale to really answer the question, no more, no less, but also figuring out with whatever data stream we need to address that question, depending on whether we want to do predictive modeling, whether we want to do competitive analysis or emotional territory analysis, we might require different data sets. Some of them we can acquire through like scraping, social listening. Some of them we would require like in-depth consumer interviews. Like there's lots of different ways to get the data, but the idea here is to really figure out like what is the best design, the best data sets, what is potentially already available, what do we need to capture to answer that the most efficiently possible. Then we go into the usual like data crunching, which means like, first of all, cleaning the data, like normalizing, standardizing, running it through a framework, like all to make sure that this data is clean, tell a clean story, but also is somewhat predictive. We know that what we're seeing here is going to have an impact at the end of the day on the sales potential of the game. We rely on our, I mean, predictive analytics or advanced analytics, AI, and so on, all those tools. But like, this is really like a mean to the end. Like, what we really want to deliver at the end is like a clean narrative of what you need to do next, where your IP is, where your product is, where your launch is, what you do, what you need to do next to make it even more successful or fix the issue that you had, with as clear as possible of an answer.